Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. Today a little bit of selling pressure in the market, but it does not threaten at all any of the scenarios. I think here now we just need to understand where the key, you could call it invalidation point is. The invalidation for this yellow 1-2 setup, which could result in a third wave to the upside, is at around 94 cents. But ideally it holds the $1 level because that is sort of the nearly invalidation, below the 78.6 retracement. These movements typically don't work out any longer. These 1-2 setups, at least not in most cases. Here the trend to the upside can be followed as long as we're holding the $1 level. Ideally we are going to hold, and that's really then the micro support measured for this possible wave 1, which started here on Monday. Ideally we're holding $1.05. And looking at this structure here, this could be simply a wave 1, A wave down, B wave up, C wave down. So no change at all really here to the scenario. And let me move that across. And we can assume that the current setup is this possible ABC structure, as long as we're holding here $1.05. There will be some additional support at $1.06, which is the golden ratio. So if I label here the subwave structure, then this here would have been an A wave, the move up as a B wave, and we're now coming down in C. Now looking at this, you could say possibly we have here a 1-2 setup. This might be the third wave of the C wave, and then we could come down a little lower. Looking at it from a target point of view, so measuring the length of the A wave to go to the high of the B wave, then the one target is the 1-to-1 ratio, basically at $1.55, so 1.055. Below that we've got the 1.618 extension. That would be quite a deep retracement and couldn't really be used anymore, because then we're dropping below the Monday low. It would invalidate this small 1-2 setup here, and it would reset the yellow wave 2. So there is some fib confluence around $1.05. But let's see, it doesn't need to come down that low. Against $1 we can just generally focus on higher. And on the way up then, what is the first indication that this move down is over and the movement to the upside is starting? Well, it would be a break above the B wave high at basically $1.13. Better would be a break above the wave 1 high at $1.1466. And then we go up from there, right? Again, below $1, what would happen? I mean, there is a bearish version of it, but is it really? Because that's not entirely clean as well. We talked about before that we probably topped here in a B wave. That's at least one interpretation on the higher time frame, and that we're coming down here in this C wave. If it's a running flat, there's a good chance it bottomed here on the 10th of March. In an expanded flat pattern, it could come down quite a bit lower, but that's not entirely clean price action as well. We could then say that this was only the wave 1 of the wave C, the move up here in a wave 2 of the wave C, and we could come down in a third wave, and then a fourth and a fifth, or even 1, A, B, C in 2. So also that would send us higher, and then down in a third, up in a fourth. So but even that would not be bearish. It would just reset the C wave of wave 2, and we could rally afterwards. So this is still a very bullish chart, medium term, long term, and short term. If it holds $1, the immediate focus can be on higher. That's my quick update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.